Okay, example 4.8. John won an annuity that pays 1,000 every 3 months for 3 years. What is the present value of this annuity if the money is worth 16% compounded quarterly? So basically, if we disregard the value of money, we see that John won an annuity that paid 1,000 every 3 months for 3 years. Basically, in 1 year, John will be paid 4,000, right? So for 3 years, meaning in total, John won 12,000. That is if we actually uh, not really considering any value of money. But when we look at this, we see that John won 1,000 3 months and being paid for 3 years. And the money is worth 16% compounded quarterly. Before we go about the value of the money, this is actually the big picture of what John get. So per 3 months, 1,000, 1,000, 1,000 until the end of the 3rd years. Alright. So basically, what is actually the amount of money that John won, right? If we just want to calculate directly, yes, we'll say 12,000, but then that is after 3 years. What if we want to calculate now? Basically, what we want to look at is what is all of this money, the value of all of this money at this point. So we want to look for the present value. So let's calculate for the present value. So the formula of present value is this. So the periodic payment is 1,000. And the I, which is the periodic rate, is actually 16% compounded quarterly. So basically 16% compounded quarterly in 1 year 4 times, okay, for 3 years, which means that 4 times for 3 years, which is 12. Okay, the same goes for this I, 16 over 4. 16 over 4. So calculate it and you should get 9385.07. Basically, by considering the value of money, right, John actually won 9,385 ringgit 0.07 cent, not 12,000.